Alright, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, no be small something, or still on the matter. Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Yes, my brother, my sister, this one that is reaching us is a very strong one. Everybody now needs to wake up. All Yoruba people now need to shine on our eyes onto this level. Yeah, so the Fulani people now, they have been exposed. They can never escape this. They have been exposed. This is another one that's just reaching us. Now they have perfected their plans. They have perfected their plans. They said it over times with that number, that they are going to unseat the president Bola Ahmed Tinubu. All the Yoruba people that are there, everybody needs to wake up. They have planned, they are ready to unseat Bola Ahmed Tinubu come 2027. And now the major problem right now is that they are not only going to unseat this man. According to the news reaching us, they said they are going to stone him out of office. Hey, my brother, my sister, stone him out of office. My brother, my sister, what is that? Now, can any of these people say this kind of a thing when Buhari was there? When their own brother was there? That's exactly the plans of the northerners, and then nobody is saying anything. This is so serious. This is the level to show how greedy these people are. This is the level for you to know how greedy some particular people are. This is so surprising. Even nobody is saying anything. Now, the same north that have ruled for so many years, they have ruled for so many years, yet they are still, after Tinubu that has just ruled for just 12 months. My brother, my sister, this is so serious. They ruled for so many years, more than 50 years. These people ruled. Nobody complained. Their brother ruled not quite long. He was there for 8 years. Even when he misbehaved, nobody complained. The Yoruba people did not come out to say, why is it that this is happening? You only complain. Nobody is coming out to say they want to unseat or they want to do something bad to them. That's exactly what the problem has been. A lot of people are now complaining that, yes, is it not the Yoruba people that puts them there? Yeah, so it's the same Tinubu that have been supporting them all this while, and look at what they are doing to them. Now it had been made clear that the North, they are desecrated, they are demoralized, they are dehumanized. In fact, humanity, they do not stand for anything. Since 1960, these people have been ruling. Now they ruled all over the old federal government agencies. They controlled since 1960. What did they do? Nothing. Just 12 months of Tinubu's rule, they are now showing themselves that they want to come back. They want to, in fact, it's an insult to the Yorubas that they are ready to stone Bola Ahmed Tinubu come 2027. My brother, my sister, what is going on? I was talking about this fact some days ago, whereby this set of Fulani people, they were of the opinion that they have to buy the wife of the president because she is a Christian. And the president didn't say anything. Don't you think a lot of things are wrong in this matter? A lot of things have gone wrong in this matter. Majority of people have been reacting. Majority of people have made it clear that as far as this country is concerned, it's better that the Yorubas cooperate and then go straight and talk to the president in whichever way they can say it. It's better we leave this country. It's better we go our separate ways. According to God's promise, well, that is what I used to say. Upon all the hardship and the pain during the Buhari regime, the Northerners didn't say a word. But now that ex-president Buhari has destroyed all the President Tinubu sworn in, now the Northerners are coming for President Tinubu. Who does that? May God have mercy upon Nigeria and the Nigerians all over the world. May God help President Tinubu to rule with God's wisdom in Jesus Christ's mighty name. Amen. According to what God's promise has said. Now, a lot of people, in fact, have reacted that they are not that they are supporting APC. They are not supporting Bola Ahmed Tinubu, but what the Northerners are trying to bring out is very, very wrong, and then everybody needs to wake up. No, we have been saying this, that we need to go our separate ways, but some set of people are still in there. These people are ready to take it as a do or die thing. Well, thank God, the so-called Fulani and the Hausas have now been differentiated. We have the Fulani, we have the Hausas. Before, we used to combine them together, but thank God the Hausas have come out now that even this Fulani need to go. Meaning, is the Fulani that are the problem we have in this country. They are the major problem we have in this country. No wonder they are everywhere buying people, because they want it as a do or die. They want it as a do or die. The so-called Fulani people ruled for over 60 years in this country. The ex-president that just left is a Fulani man. Buhari is a Fulani man. All of them, they are Fulani people. Now they still want to take over. They are of the opinion that their father, their forefather, made it clear to them that they own the country. My brother, my sister, we need to wake up. I think Mazi Raphael Igbechuku is right and correct. The Fulani Janjaweeds are the problems facing Nigeria. The Fulani people are clandestine, and then they are strangers in Nigerian soil. Somebody is of the opinion that we have only 3 tribes in this country: Hausa, Igbo, and the Yoruba. So where is the Fulani position? Meaning they are not part of this country. My brother, my sister, this is so strong, and then I think everybody needs to wake up. No wonder the Yoruba Nation agitators are of the opinion that the president should, in fact, use this medium, this opportunity to declare Yoruba Nation. You can imagine. Immediately I heard that, I was shocked. This is not funny at all. That come 2027, they are going to stone the president out of seat, and then everybody is hearing that. Nobody is saying anything. Even the president is calm about it. What is going on in this country? What is going on in this country? Now, I think the best thing right now is to get separated. The best thing now is everybody to go in separate ways. How long are we going to continue like this? They have made it clear that they were born to rule. They were born to rule, so they want to make sure they continue to be ruling us. Okay, for the past 60 years that these people rule, what did they do? What did they put in place till now? My brother, my sister, this is the time. In fact, it's the right time for everybody to wake up. We can no longer continue in this manner. Let the president know what is very good for him right now before it is too late. We have been shouting this Yoruba Nation, no going back. Let everybody go in separate ways. Yet the northerners are still of the opinion that no, we are not going anywhere. We will make it work. That is why we are so angry with those ones that call themselves what's their name again? The Afeniferes. We are so angry with them. They are still telling us about restructuring, of which we are seeing the handwriting written on the wall that this set of people do not want us to continue. This set of people do not want us to have breathing space. Okay, now what's that question? What has the president done to these northerners, to these Fulani people, that is making them to say no, they regret voting him in? My brother, my sister, we need to wake up. I know, I said it before now. The major reason why they voted for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, of which majority of people even made it clear that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu did not even win this election. But the reason why they make sure they do all their malpractices and everything is simply because they believe the president was not okay. They believe he was sick, and they believe that at the end of it all, by the time he gets there, he might not even use up to 6 months before he will buy. Then their own brother, that's why they made their own brother the vice president. We have seen all this, and then I think this is the right time for the Yorubas to wake up. My brother, my sister, it is not funny at all. Baba God, now your hand with it. Well, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what is reaching us onto this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this one, and then remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.